Hey, how's it going? What's up? Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. I'm home right now. I went shopping and I'm going to do a little haul, but this is one of the water bottles I got. I thought it was really cool from Spencer's. And my boyfriend brought me McDonald's. So I'm going to eat and watch TV.
Pelicans gave away the fourth pick to the Hawks. You know who they took? They took the fourth pick?
Yes. Yo, say hi. You look very nice. I got my nails in. Well, I did it myself, so. Like my nails. So you like them?
I like your nails.
Thank you. Very genuine. More genuine.
I want some water.
Sad. Hi, Papa. Say hi to my channel.
It's your channel?
Yeah, you're on my channel.
Oh.
Say hello to my ugly snot of a boyfriend.
Subscribe to my channel, Space Shark.
I'm gonna bleep that out.
No. I have more followers than her.
I'm gonna bleep that out.
I do. So,
I'm gonna make you say.
subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channel for a giveaway.
Yeah. That's right, we do things out here.
It's my prescription water.
He's drinking my water. It feels to be my boyfriend. We are now in Walgreens.
Could be better.
Oh, you off? Sorry, I can't curse. I have to bleep that out. Sorry. Amari, get away from me. Oh my god!
Who do you think that was?
I thought it was Amari at first because it was the wingspan. I should have known you were his color. No, I didn't get him a car yet. Where's Zay? He's with my mom? Yeah. They in the car?
Whose birthday is it? Amari's.
Amari's right there. We're gonna be here to see that. Look, there's my favorite person in the world, Jason. Jason, say hi to my channel.
Terrible.
What? I make great content.
Could be better.
You're ugly. You know that?
It's mediocre.
And thanks for scaring me. I felt awkward.
Who do you think it was at first?
I thought it was Amari at first.
You said excuse. You missed the love of my life.
I really am tempted to buy that bat. I had fun beating you up with it.
With what?
That bat.
What bat?
Okay, this is the end of my video. I'm glad that you guys stayed all the way till now. That's my gorgeous mother, Mom. Shauna.
Hi, what's going on? What happened?
We're saying bye.
Bye. I missed it. You
Oh
know,
my
I'm making
God.
shirts. Sorry.
Alright. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.